I'm Michael here with the roof guys, and this is your roof. Ridge venting, hottest of the air just naturally rises out of there. We'll be replacing all of those and extending them where we can, as long as there's not a truss in the way. 135 mushroom vents, they come in black, brown, gray. We'll be replacing both of those. Same thing as the ridge venting, just hottest air naturally rises out of them. This vent here is more than likely for your range. We will be replacing that. They call it a goose neck. Sometimes if the brush ever got a little bit longer, it will wear away at the wood and the shingles there. Doesn't look too bad, so it should be all right, but we do give 2 4x8 sheets, which we can get multiple repairs out of. So if there's an issue there, we should have enough wood for it. Any more than that, it's $90 a sheet. This is your valley here. That's where the ice and water barrier is going to go. You can see right here a little bit of the ice and water barrier probably melted out of the valley there. They used to use some economical stuff called Tamco when they built a lot of these houses, and it did not hold up well. This black streaking is a blue-green algae. You get those from the economical shingles also. It's what we really like about GAF and Atlas. They guarantee it not to do that for the life of the roof. Another gooseneck here is for your dryer vents. Real nice and clean, so you're doing a good job keeping that cleaned out. Plumbing boot here, this is where your sink breeze. A lot of times I'll find frogs living in there. The one that we replace it with will be a bullet boot, so it'll have a guard on top of it, and those come in brown, black, or gray also. Satellite dish, we can remove it, we just don't reinstall it. So it'd be a time to contact Dish and get it mounted on the ground if you didn't want to put holes in your new roof, or you can arrange for them to come back out and remount it after we're done. Some more ridge venting above the garage, some more valleys there for us to put the ice and water barrier. Your gutters are a 5-inch gutter. The new industry standard is a 6-inch, but these are in really good shape. They have some economical hangers. That's okay. Shouldn't be a problem. We'll just pull them back and reinstall. And then the drip edge is what goes right here all along the bottom. Some roofers will say they'll replace drip edge where there are not gutters, but the drip edge comes up almost 2 inches above there. So if they don't replace the drip edge, they'll pull the felt from underneath it, and then you'll be left with about 2.5 inches of where there'll be no protection under. A lot of times we'll find rotted wood where people don't replace the drip edge in the first 10 years. Really important with your decorative driveway, use a roofer that's going to use a dumpster on car wheels, not one that a lot of them use on metal wheels, the rented dumpsters. That'll chip away at your driveway, and in everybody's fine print it says we are not responsible. So really important that they protect your driveway, put down wood like we do, and plastic. All in all, that's your roof.